If you want to change your Grammarly email address, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to update your email in Grammarly, quickly and safely, so your account stays organized and you can keep using all of Grammarly's features without interruption. This is a simple process, but I'll show you each step clearly so you don't miss anything. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and log into your Grammarly account through the Grammarly dashboard. Once you're signed in, look over to the left-hand navigation sidebar and click on Account. This is where Grammarly stores your account details, billing information, and personal settings. After that, in the main settings area, select the Profile tab. This tab contains the basic information tied to your Grammarly account, including your email address. Now, scroll or look through the profile details until you find the email field. This will show your current email address that's connected to your Grammarly account. To make changes, click the Update or Edit button next to the email field. Grammarly will then prompt you to enter your new email address. Carefully type in the new email address you want to use. Make sure there are no spelling mistakes and that it's an email you can access, because Grammarly may use it for account verification or important notifications. After that, you'll usually need to enter your current account password to authorize the change. This is a security step to confirm that you are the account owner and to protect your account from unauthorized changes. Once everything is filled in correctly, click Save or Change Email, depending on the option you see on your screen. Grammarly will process the update and in some cases may ask you to verify the new email address through a confirmation message sent to your inbox. If that happens, just open the email and follow the verification link or instructions provided. And that's it. Your Grammarly email address is now updated. It's always a good idea to double-check your account settings after making changes like this, just to make sure everything's saved properly and your profile information is correct. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials on popular apps and software. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.